to make a snow angel. And have you ever made a snow angel? Well, if you haven't, and if you don't know what a snow angel is, I'm going to show you here in a few minutes. Once I get my stuff on here. Oh, I'm going to get wet. I'm going to get wet. I should have some snow pants on. These are just regular jeans. But hey, I've done it before in regular jeans. Yeah, it's going to be a little wet, but I'm not going to be down there that long to do that. And lots of times when I go skiing, I'll just use my jeans and I'll put long underwear on underneath. And if you don't have any snow pants or ski pants, you don't need them to go skiing. I never do. I mean, I used to have some years ago. I don't know what happened to them. Okay. See, look at this. This snow has not been touched yet. It was last night, and there's 6-7 inches there, and I'm gonna actually shovel off this my driveway here. Yeah, it's gonna take me a little bit to shovel that, but you know, I'm a big boy. I can do it. The last thing you want to do when you're shoveling snow is don't overdo it. This stuff is called, Momi calls it heart attack snow. She was getting a little perturbed. She's already gone off exercising this morning, and she was a little perturbed thinking, hey, this is heart attack snow. And I go, well, what are you talking about? Well, you know, when you start shoveling a whole lot of snow, and it's thick snow, it's powdery, but it's a little bit wet, and you don't watch it, and you start shoveling too much, you get out of breath. That's how some people get heart attacks. Okay, making a snow angel. Here I go. Oh. Oh, let's see if it looks like an angel. Let's see if that looks like an angel. Look at that. Does that look like an angel to you? See, there's the head of the angel, and there's its wings, and here's its feet here. That's how you make a snow angel. You just get out there and jump in the snow and go for it. Whew. I have only done a few snow angels in my life. Maybe I don't know, 8 or 9, 10 or so. Get a little bit of wet going on, but hey, it's fun. Whew. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And as for this WD-40, I didn't even try it because my snow shovel is brand new, and this particular snow slid off of here pretty well, so I wasn't gonna spray it on there. But if you start finding you need it and all the snow's not coming off of your shovels, try spraying it lightly with WD-40 or some of that spray Pam that you have in there underneath the kitchen stove, let's say. Okay, there's a tip for you.